case of water.
So guys, it's clean a little bit now there, but good gracious, still not cleaning. Yeah, see, ew, as you can see that there guys. What is that? Cleaning in the middle of the night.
Yeah.
Oh, see? It's more clean now. But, you know.
Doing their job. Mark, how do I put the food back in here?
Yeah, put the freeze in the freezer. Yeah. It's so dirty, guys. See? Ooh. Everything. What is that? We clean. Instead we're sleeping and feel comfy.
And what, honey?
Instead we sleeping nicely and comfy. I know.
And Ricky found bed bug.
Yeah.
You found a baby bed bug.
A baby in the roof is dirty. Shoot.
Yeah.
Cleaning. Supposed to be we sleeping nice.
We gonna get like a refund for this.
We sleeping.
This gonna be a free trip for us. We're like refund our money back.
Instead we sleeping peacefully and nice. Now I'm cleaning in the middle of the night. My God. Okay, give me the freezer there. At least I don't know. Yeah.
So all the brothers and sisters, they did not stay on the hotel in the West. Most of them, you know, a few of
It
them.
still smells like coffee.
That's fine.
That's fine.
At least you rinse it.
Apple juices.
Okay.
This apple juice smell like love from my hand.
Oh, ew.
We just got one more night. That's it.
One more night.
And then all of these not good food.
Yes. That's it, guys. Yeah, and also the one there, the water there is really full. How can they not check this on their refrigerator if it's okay or not? And this one here is leaking in there. That's why they broken. It's broken. See that it's really full. There's something on it inside. The water is in there.
It's leaked, the
That's why
refrigerator is leaking.
Yeah, it's leaking down there.
Oh my God.
So, well, so this is our lunch for tomorrow. Hopefully, this one is not spoiled. This is our lunch tomorrow. So yeah. Yeah, that's nasty. So yeah. No more now there. Let me see. I wanna check. It's open. Give me. Come here. Open it.
It's ridiculous. It's a nice room, but it's just bed bugs. This room's nice.
Yeah, it's a nice one.
My bed bugs will stay here longer and not just move.
So, alright. So, don't forget. So, what happened this one? Where's the pin? Okay.
Where's the remote at?
I don't know.
It's there.
Yeah, I like this room, but I really do. I really like this room a lot more, but can't stay in here.
Okay. So, alright. Yeah, see, that's the bug blood in there. I
Where's
guess.
the baby? Where's the baby one?
No, I take it out now. It was
Where are all
in
these
here. Oh,
dots?
walking in here, in here. I
What
see,
are all these dots?
in here.
What are you talking about, son?
It was
There's all
walking
these
here, the
dots
baby
I see
bugs.
from the light.
Yeah, people did not really clean nice. Okay.
Yeah, look at the lamp. There's stains on it.
Also, there's some plastic there in the side. That's not our. That's from there. So this one here, it's okay. But the problem, the freezer is all the way down. Everything, even the vegetable is freezing. So yeah. Okay.
They don't have to refund us on this trip.
Can they?
Here, market for your dirty clothes.
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Give me the keys. Baby, the keys. Where's the key?
Where's your key at?
Mark is in marquee.
No, you don't.
No,
I'm about to turn that in.
the old one.
The old one.
I don't have the old one.
I guess it's in here. So, okay.
I'm not gonna need this. I'm putting this. I know I brought this, but
Alright, guys. So, we don't have no more. Our sleep is broken.
yeah.
Our street is ruined by bed bugs.
Yeah. Okay, I guess the key from other one is in there.
Oh. I feel like
Alright, guys. So,
one of them bit.
Oh, look, this pillow here. This pillow got a stain on it.
So do you switch them?
yeah. No,
This
that's
is a.
The pillow?
no, that's fine, Marky. Well, alright, guys. This is our second day. Third day now. We found out that
We had bed bugs.
we had a big bed bugs here, and now we move into the other
Next door.
room next door. But this next door, it's a lot of
So
problem
dirty.
too. Still like not really cleaned, really nice.
Yeah, that's mostly
Yeah, the
just
floor
not
is a lot of. Still, we saw the.
I really won't be walking no barefoot on this floor.
Look at that, the Food Lion.
But look at the floor.
The floor is dirty, like every.
And we
And-
found a napkin or something inside
Yeah.
the fridge.
And the fridge
The freezer.
is like I cleaned it before we put
People
our
didn't even
food.
clean it.
Yeah, the ref is really clean, guys. Not really cleaned.
Ew, look, I see stuff on this blanket. Yeah.
So, alright, guys. So at least
Come on.
broken.
Look. All these
Yeah,
hairs.
just I don't know, just dust. Just dust.
White look too.
Yeah.
They didn't clean it too that much.
Anyway, sige na, I can come back a little bit. What time is now?
Almost 5 o'clock.
Oh my god.
The time is wrong.
I know you was all the time. I don't want to be late, but look,
Yeah.
Look at the night we're having. Look at the night we're having.
This is our sleep right now.
Yes, it will. All of us will be sleeping right now.
And look, it looks like in the middle of the night.
It is it's early morning.
Yeah.
It looks like the
And over there is dusty on the wall. There's something.
That's the I'm getting.
This feels colder now. This feels colder.
Yeah.
The AC feels colder.
Mark, close that blind, boy. Close that blind.
Yeah, but anyway, guys.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Guys, so yeah, that's it for right now. Broke our sleep just with this bug. So what is in under the bed? I see that they're not clean, really nice. See over there, I saw something in their plastic on the back.
Gum.
No plastic on the bottom.
Where's your disinfectant wipes at? I don't like the way that wall's looking. That wall's disgusting.
Which one?
I disinfect. I don't know.
Mark, can you get the wipes, son? Get some wipes and clean that right there. You'll see. Use my flashlight. You'll see.
Yeah, it's really.
See. Clean that for daddy and yeah. Let's get.
What is that stuff?
Yeah. Yeah, it's really. Look at that. They're not. They didn't clean really nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, this.
And look,
Like,
right here too, on the couch.
yeah. So, alright, clean some
on
more
the
there.
couch, too.
Yeah, I see.
We're mostly the one who's cleaning now.
Yeah.
We're the ones cleaning
Alright, guys.
now.
So.
They only just folded the beds.
Yeah. So, alright, guys. So that's it right now.
Beds. And place trash can.
Okay, guys. Just.
Even though they didn't like this one.
Not
And
really
look right
clean.
here. The wall's broken.
Alright, guys. So I know I saw already there.
Wall.
I saw already. Alright, guys. So that's it for right now. Later on, I fall asleep.
Ew, it's hard.
Alright, guys. Alright, guys. Thank you guys for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, guys. Hello, guys. Good morning. So this is our third day here at Florence. So as you can see, yeah, ready to eat our breakfast. Yeah, so that one is Marky, be careful please. This is your last suit. So this is our breakfast again. Grits, toast, egg, and bacon, and coffee, hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate.
Not just chocolate.
So, alright, guys. Okay.